In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link from a text block on your Squarespace website. Whether you're managing content updates or just learning to finesse your web presence, this guide will help make the process seamless. First things first, we'll begin by logging into the Squarespace dashboard. Once you're at the login screen, enter your credentials carefully. A successful login will transport you into your dashboard, where you have an overview of all your Squarespace projects. Here, you might see multiple websites if you manage more than one. Find the website you want to work on and select it. After selecting your desired website, you're going to want to click directly on the website itself, which will bring up various management options. From this screen, look for the option that says Pages and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing and managing the individual pages or espaces that make up your site. Now, across the list of available pages, find the specific page you'd like to work on. Hover over it and click to enter the editing mode. You'll notice an Edit button located at the upper left part of your screen. Go ahead and click that to enable the page editor. With the page editor now active, scroll until you find the text block containing the link you'd like to remove. Click on this text block to highlight it, and you'll notice the toolbar appears at the top of your screen. It provides you with several editing tools to manipulate your text content, but for now, our focus will be on the link. On the toolbar, locate and click the Edit button. This will bring up additional options specifically for the link within your text block. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Remove Link. Clicking this will effectively strip the unwanted link from the text block, leaving your text clean and link-free. To ensure that your hard work doesn't disappear into the ether, the final step is vital. Navigate to the top left corner of your page and press Save. This action will record all the changes you've made. It's a good practice to double-check, ensuring that the link has indeed been removed before wrapping up your session. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a link from a text block in Squarespace. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with the Squarespace interface, the more confident you'll become in editing and maintaining your website with ease. Thank you for watching and following along in this simple walkthrough. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will improve your Squarespace skills.